Hey guys, and welcome back to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video I want to share with you guys how I created this wood home sign with galvanized metal material, and all this stuff I found at Dollar Tree to create this DIY. I love how this DIY came out because it really gives that farmhouse feel that I'm going for nowadays, and you would find a sign just like this at Pottery Barn or Hobby Lobby for way more, and I recreated it for way less with Dollar Tree items. So if you would like to see how I created this home sign, then stay tuned to this video. For this DIY, I'm going to be using one of the love signs that they had at Dollar Tree last month and a couple of the Welcome to Our Patch Easter signs that they have at Dollar Tree right now. I'm going to be using the galvanized pieces from each of these signs, and then on one of the Easter signs, I'm actually going to be using it for the sign. But don't worry, I will not be wasting any of those signs because I will be using them in another DIY project. Now, to take these galvanized pieces off the signs themselves, you can use a butter knife or a flat screwdriver. A flat side screwdriver. I like the butter knife better because it gets underneath the galvanized material much better than the flat screwdriver, and you're able to pop off the galvanized material easily and not scratch off or bend the product as the flat screwdriver tends to do because it's so thick. Once I remove the galvanized material from one of the Easter signs, I'm then going to flip it over and start my painting on the back side. I love using the back side of the Dollar Tree materials because it doesn't have any type of paint or any type of finish on it. So when I use this white craft paint that I get at Walmart, it's easy, it adheres to the material better because there's no other paint or finish on it already on it. It's kind of like that unfinished wood, so it sticks to it and it dries faster than as if I would have put it on the front of this sign. Once the white paint was fully dry, which by the way this actually dried within an hour because I used the back side of the sign and this paint from Walmart, it actually dried within an hour, so I didn't have to wait a full 24 hours before I went to the next step. But basically I took a pencil and a ruler and I'm creating two lines to define the three different wood pieces, so it really does look like that farmhouse distressed wood. There's like three pieces of wood put together to create this sign. I'm using the pencil to create an outline so that when I go in with my gray paint, I know where to make the lines at with the gray paint, and then also with the gray paint I'm going to use it to make this look like a distressed wood piece. Once I finished making my lines, I went in with a light gray paint that I also got at Walmart, and I'm using a thin brush to basically go over the lines that I created with the pencil. I then took that same paintbrush with the thin bristles and then another brush that had kind of like a thicker bristles on it, and went back and forth in the light gray paint to create that distressed wood look. Once I was done painting and distressing the wood piece to my liking, it was now time to add the galvanized materials to create the home sign. Now I would be using the galvanized heart to be the O in the word home, and then I'm going to be using those pieces that I got from the Easter sign to create the H, the M, and the E to finish off the sign. These galvanized pieces that I took from the sign are really easy to cut. I just use Dollar Tree scissors to cut them, and I'm going to lay out everything before I glue it down so that way I know exactly how I want it on the board. Once I had everything laid out the way I wanted to, now it was time to glue. And I'm going to be using that adhesive glue that I get at Dollar Tree that I tell you guys all the time that works just as great as E6000 glue. And I'm using this instead of hot glue because Hot glue does dry really fast, and because these pieces were moving really easy on me, I didn't want to use the hot glue and then glue it down so fast on a spot that I didn't want. I wanted to be able to move the pieces around just in case I laid them down in the wrong spot. And with the adhesive glue, you have a little bit of wiggle room to be able to move the glue around, move the pieces around before they fully dry. So for this project, I do suggest that you use an adhesive glue from Dollar Tree or E6000 instead of hot glue, because you want to be able to put the pieces in place exactly where you want them and have time to move them around before they fully dry. And this is how it looks once I was done gluing down all the letters and the heart. And for some reason, it just looked like too plain to me and it needed something more. So I decided to take the leftover pieces that I had and create a border on the top and the bottom of this sign to make it a little bit more galvanized. And you tell me how you guys feel about it. Do you guys like how it was before the top and the bottom border? Because that's my finished look for this piece. Or would you have left it off? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys would have done. But I felt it just needed a little bit more. It just felt like the home part was just standing out onto a plain canvas. It just needed a little more to me. But you guys let me know if it was too much, or if you guys would skip this part, or if you guys would add it just like I did. And that is it for this DIY, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you guys some inspiration to create some beautiful decor pieces in your home. If you are new to my channel and you are not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscriber button before you leave this video. It really does help out my channel, so I'm able to bring more videos for you guys. And also, if you hit that subscriber button, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I'm putting out, which a lot are more to come. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know that you enjoyed it. It helps my channel as well. And if you didn't enjoy it, then hit that dislike button and let me know why you didn't like this video, because I always love constructive criticism. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.